5 sexual related Yoruba proverbs. Kì í ṣe ẹwà òbò ló hun okó. Ohun tó hun okó wà nínú òbò. It is not the beauty of the vagina that interests the penis. What interests the penis is inside the vagina. Òbó ní ìtìjú òun ló pọ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ lòun fi sá pamọ́ síbi tí òun wà, ṣùgbọ́n tí òun bá ti rí okó, òun á ṣílẹ̀kùn fún un. The vagina says she is so shy that she has to hide to where it is today, but soon as she sees the penis, she has to open the door for him. Ẹni tó dó arúgbó kọ́yìn ni ó sìnkú arúgbó. It is the last man who fucked the old woman that must bury her when she dies.
I don't fuck am to glory.
Òbó lóhun gbogbo lòun ò lè fi jẹ́rìí okó, ṣùgbọ́n òun jẹ́rìí wípé okó kò jẹ́rìí òbò kó má mọ́ lójú. The vagina says that there are several matters in which it cannot vouch for the penis, but it can vouch that if the penis sees a vagina, it can't take its eyes off it.
To the O, to the K, and to the O. O-K-O. Ooh, I love it bigger.
Bá ò bá tètè gé idán òbò ní kékeré, bó bá dàgbà tán, ẹbọ ńláńlá ni yóò mọ̀ gbà lọ́wọ́ okó. If we do not cut out the clitoris when it is still young, when it grows old, it will start receiving big sacrifices from the penis.
You gotta follow me now. Woo, woo. It's time to do the do-lab.